Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first video of our Nintendo series. It's a rebrand of my channel, and all of y'all OGs know that the original name of my channel was, I'm not gonna say it, it's kind of embarrassing. But today we're gonna be buying my Nintendo Switch officially. So stay tuned, see you in the car. Alright, we're in the car, and we're on our way to the mall. So yeah, let me just tell y'all guys what model I'm gonna buy and stuff. So for the channel, of course, I gotta go with a plain white one. Like, who uses the red and blue Joy-Cons anymore? And back then, I was actually debating on which one I should buy, the Switch Lite, the Switch Original, or the Switch OLED. Then my mom told me I should just go for the Switch OLED since it's a tiny price difference and it gives a better kickstand, a better screen, and more storage. So I already got accessories at home, and I'm thinking of buying a carry case physically, because like the carry case I bought from online shopping, it was too small. It was for a Switch Lite. I read the description, it did say Switch OLED, but they gave me a Switch Lite version. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the shop, in the mall. See ya. Okay, it's not clear because, yeah, I know it's the parking lot, but we're at the mall. See you inside. We just went out of Cyberzone here at SM, and turns out we need to withdraw cash to get the discount. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the things I bought when we buy it. But we're gonna eat lunch first, then we're gonna withdraw some cash, then we'll avail to buy the white OLED Nintendo Switch. Withdraw the cash, and we're gonna buy the Switch OLED here at Data Blitz. Alright, so I'm here at Data Blitz now, and we're gonna buy the Switch OLED.
Nintendo Switch, yung white.
Okay, but I am going to buy a carry case, but I can't seem to find. Yeah, I don't think they have a carry case here. They have Joy-Cons, they have the Hori split pads, but they don't seem to have. Okay, so they already unboxed it and set it up, but I'll just factory reset it for the unboxing video to make it more fun. So yeah, there's the Switch OLED. Oh, it's amazing. It feels great in the hand and is amazing. The white Joy-Con. So I'll go back to y'all in the house when the unboxing video is ready, and yeah, see you. So the product came with a free screen protector that Data Blitz gave us, and we're over here at Bavin trying to apply the screen protector for us for 50 pesos only. And there is the iPad mini. That's the screen. It looks amazing and beautiful, I swear. I'm so excited. So I'll get back to you at the house when the screen protector is applied. You guys will see everything that you guys can available to be seen. I bought Smash Bros at the house. I bought Smash Bros online, so it's already in the house, ready to be used. And I bought a Neo case grip or case that is by Dope. So yeah, I'll go back to you guys in the house with the unboxing video. I'm sorry for the background noise, but it's been very hot here in the Philippines. Anyways, here I have the Data Blitz bag, and we'll start off with the boring things first. Of course, we got the Switch in here. Let's start with this. Okay, so I got a protective case that comes with a grip in it. So yeah, I'll keep that over there. We'll unbox all of them later. And next up, we got a screen protector. It came free with the Switch, and it was already applied over there at SM, so we don't really need that right now. Then we have a, let me just get it out, Nintendo Switch carry case right here. Right next, we got a, hold on, let Let me see. Alright. Thumb grips from Skull & Co. Of course, can't go wrong with thumb grips, man. Put that over there. Then we got a game. I got Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Switch. We put that over there as well. Then we got the Big Mom. We have the Nintendo Switch OLED model. So before we unbox this, let's put this aside real quick. Let's unbox some of these accessories over here. Let's start off with the Skull & Co. Let's start off with a Skull & Co. thumb grips for the analog sticks. Over here we see I got the blue and yellow variant. Got it from Data Blitz as well, of course. Can't go wrong with Data Blitz. Here are all the specifications. Just pause if you want to read it, and let's unbox this thing. Alright, over here we got a little protective area. Then we have all of the little thumb grips that come with it. They all have different variants for you to choose which one you're comfortable with. So be sure to check which one you want to put on. Right there. Okay. Let's put that aside for now. Let's move to the storage box. Hold on. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'm gonna get my little knife. Alright. Got my handy dandy trusty knife. Let's just cut the tape off over here and over here. Then box the Nintendo Switch OLED protective carry case. Right there. Over here in the carry case, let's open it up real quick. I got a dope one, yeah, it's pretty cheap. We have the girdles to strap in the Switch, make it secure. Then we have these little cartridge slots for the Switch over here. Then we can put anything we want in here. Extra Joy-Cons, extra stuff, yeah, all that stuff. Let's move on with the next product. Over here we have the protective case. Just unbox this real quick. And there we are. It applies comfort and safety when you protect your Switch. Oops. There you go. That actually feels very comfy, and I ain't complaining. This is amazing. Next up, we got the Switch game. We got Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Let me just get it in my neck real quick. Dang, it didn't cut that well. Okay, right there. Maybe that did the job. Okay, that did do the job. Over here. And we have Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch. Open it up, we get this little itty bitty cartridge. Cool. Okay. Now for the moment all of you have been waiting for. Alright? Let's move on to the Nintendo Switch. I'm so sweaty, it's so hot right now, I swear. Over here, you open it over here, right there. Okay, I am so excited. Oh. Before we do that, let's move on with the boring stuff first. Okay, here we have an HDMI cable. Don't really need this. I have a lot of HDMI cables at my house. Here in my house. Then we have, let's see. We have the charger. USB-C. Of course, gotta need this. Okay, then more boring stuff. We have Joy-Con grips just in case you play sports games and you don't want your Switch to fall. Then we have the Joy-Con grip. That's actually pretty comfortable. People complain about it. I don't. I have small hands. It just makes sense. So this is where you put your Joy-Cons and stuff. It's pretty comfy if you want to make it a controller. So yeah, Then let's move on with the next thing over here. Now this is another thing on what I'm excited for, since people say that it's way better than the original one. It's the dock. And yes, it indeed does look really, really good. I swear. It's pretty heavy as well, considering that it is the OLED model. And it has the LAN port over here. So there you have an HDMI port. You have an HDMI port, a LAN port, and the USB-C port. Then outside, you have two extra USB Type A plug-ins for the switch, in case you want to attach a keyboard, you know, for communication reasons. So yeah, that's the dock. Pretty cool, I gotta say. Let's move on with the main event right here. Let's start off with the Joy-Con. Oh. Okay, this feels great. This feels amazing. Oh, and the white. And the white too. Oh, it feels great. Wait, I want to attach it over here. I want to see what it looks like. Hold on, I can't seem to put it in. I am so excited right now. My hands are shaking. Let me just... Oh my gosh, this is harder than... There we go. Oh, that is satisfying. It's actually pretty difficult. There we go. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, right there. Okay, now we got what the people call the OLED iPad mini. I'm just kidding. It's the screen. Yippee! Over here. Wow, that is clean. And the kickstand too? Bruh, this is cool. Wow, okay. Let's power it on over here. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. With the Joy-Cons too. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay, seems like we gotta attach the Joy-Cons. Let's get these out. I put it in. I will cut most of the video since this is taking quite a long time. Okay, there we go. Oh, oh, wow. The enhanced audio is amazing. Hold on, let's add comfort to our Nintendo Switch OLED model. Oh, that is sick. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, let's go to English. Let's go to region, Hong Kong, since that's where we technically are. Okay. So basically this is mostly just setting up. I'll come back to y'all when I connect to the Wi-Fi and stuff, so. Okay, so I managed to get the thing. So we gotta detach the Joy-Cons. Now we gotta detach it. I think I shouldn't have put the grip yet. Okay, let's just get it out. Okay, over there. Then we got that out. There, okay. Then we go next. Okay. Next. Create new user. Okay, so I'll go for more options. I don't really want a Mario one. Let's go for the profile. Let's see. Definitely. Oh, there's a cartoon Yoshi. Ooh, okay. Many options, but I gotta go with the original, you know, the cartoon Yoshi. Yeah, definitely the cartoon Yoshi looks way better. In the background, gotta go for a green. Gotta go for the green. I like that shade of green, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this looks amazing. Enter a nickname. MICO. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta link my Nintendo account to this Switch. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, guys, that was crazy. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Okay, so I got it set up and I got it in my basic black theme. So let me just add the little accessory I bought. Where is that thing? Hold on. I think it got lost in the pack. Let me just get it real quick. Oh, here it is. Thanks, Mom. So let's get not these ones. I don't really want these ones. I'm kind of feeling the dimpled ones. So let's get those added there. Okay. These are reserved ones. And I'm thinking of putting yellow here, then blue on the other side. Maybe power it off for now so that it won't keep moving. Okay, right there. Okay, these are harder to apply than I thought. YouTubers were correct. Dang, okay. Okay, I've been trying to put this on now. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. It's in there. Okay, I think I got the trick. Yeah, over there. There we go. We got the Nintendo. That actually gives more grip to the console. Wow. Okay. Let's get Smash Bros in here. Okay. This is the first time I'll be doing this. Well, the case is kind of blocking the whole cartridge slot. There we go. Okay. Let's insert it in there. Oh, okay. Let's just go to plus. Let's see if we can collect points. Let's see, software update. Let's see. Manage, save data cloud, my Nintendo rewards program. Earn gold points. Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, we got points. We got the points. We got the points, y'all. We got the points. Okay. Wait. I think I'm not getting the points. Okay, so I had to pause the video since there was like a guy selling bread. Alright, so we got Super Smash Bros. In here. Oh, there's a software update available. Alright, I'll be right back when the software update downloads. Alright, y'all. The game update is officially finished. Now we can play the Nintendo Switch OLED model, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. This is incredible, y'all. I've waited 7 whole damn years for this, and I finally got it. Oh, the enhanced audio is just amazing, guys. Whoa, the screen is so bright. This is incredibly good. Okay, I'm gonna skip that because like everybody's seen that now. Like, ooh, okay. Okay, so this is the whole video. If you guys wanna see some Super Smash Bros. Ultimate gameplay, just leave a comment down below and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So this is the Nintendo Switch OLED model in 2024. I hope everyone liked this video, and I hope that this video helped you today to get a Switch and stuff. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Nintendo. Bye!